Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine error code E13. What does it mean and how to fix it? The E13 error code on Bosch washing machine indicates a failure to drain error, meaning the machine is unable to pump the water out properly. This error could be caused by several issues including a kinked or bent drain hose, a drain hose that is too high or too low, or a clogged drain pump. To fix the E13 error code, you should first check the drain hose for any kinks or bends that could prevent the water from being drained properly. The hose should be not more than about a meter and half off the ground, as it can be too much work for the drain pump to pump the water up that high. Additionally, the end of the hose should be not sealed, as it can prevent air from getting in and prevent the water from draining properly. If the hose is not the issue, you should check the drain pump for any obstructions or clogs. You can access the drain pump on some models by opening the panel up on the front or the back of the machine. If you find any buttons or debris in the pump, remove them to ensure the pump can turn properly. You can also check hose in the back for any clogs. If none of the steps resolve your issue, you may need to consult the user manual or contact Bosch customer support for further assistance.